Today on Renal Diet HQ, we're making this delicious Marry Me chicken in a healthy state and perfect for kidney-friendly diets. It is low sodium. It is packed with flavor. You're gonna love it. Try it tonight for dinner. Don't tell anybody it's healthy and see if anybody complains. I think they will. Love it. Let's get started on this dish. Hi, this is Mathea Ford with Renal Diet HQ, and today we're gonna make a healthy version of Marry Me chicken. Why is this dish called Marry Me chicken? Because once you taste it, you're gonna wanna have it forever. I've made a version that's perfect for kidney disease, low sodium, full of flavor, so let's dive in. Let me walk you through the ingredients for the healthy Marry Me chicken. You've got chicken breast, you've got flour and pepper, diced onions, a little bit of tomato paste. This is a mixture of oregano, chicken broth, and the cream cheese that we need for the sauce, baby spinach, and some sun-dried tomatoes. It's portioned for two, so you can have somebody over and enjoy your meal. First, we're gonna pound out the chicken breasts. Okay, so now we're going to pound out the chicken breasts. I just stick them in a plastic bag so I don't get mess everywhere. And I've got 2 chicken breasts. I've divided one in half and kind of opened it up. And then I just pound it. These are already pretty thin, so they don't need much. But the idea is to make it cook quick and kind of be crisp. All right, so those are ready to go. I'm gonna put a little bit of pepper and flour on them, and then we're gonna put them in the pan to cook. I'm just gonna add this pepper and this flour to this bag. And that way we can kind of shake it around to get everything breaded. All right, so those are nicely breaded, as you can see. Just have a little bit of flour on them. And then we're gonna go cook them. All right, I'm gonna use half the oil and I'm just gonna put some in the skillet to cook my chicken. We're just gonna cook the chicken for 5 to 7 minutes on each side and go from there. All right, we're gonna add in the garlic, cook for a couple minutes. Such a wonderful aroma with the garlic. When I've scraped up all those little bits of chicken where we cooked. We're gonna mix the cornstarch with the half and half. This is gonna allow it to thicken up the sauce a little. So now we're gonna add the chicken broth and the oregano and the cream cheese. And the half and half with the cornstarch. We're just gonna let that blend together and kind of melt that cream cheese. Okay, we're going to add the chicken back in and kind of let it marinate a little bit in the chicken in the sauce. Get it spread all over. This is really a generous piece of chicken for kidney disease. It's about 4 ounces. So it actually is a really decent size. 4 ounces of chicken breast has about 28 grams of protein. So we're just trying to let that chicken warm up a little. Obviously, all the nutritionals are with the recipe on my website, which is linked to in the description. All right, it looks hot. Let's go ahead and have a taste. All right, now it's time to try our Marry Me chicken, and let's get a piece out of the skillet. And I love that you get this delicious sauce to put right on top of it. This is 2 servings again in the recipe, so you have plenty of food for you and someone else. So let's have a bite. I personally love sun-dried tomatoes. Oh my gosh. This may be healthy, but it tastes decadent. The onions, the sun-dried tomatoes, the spinach, the cream, all together. This is a delicious sauce. And delicious chicken. Try it. You'll love it.